What is up, diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another unboxing video from Diecast Maniac. And today we have rather a banging model, and this is none other than from Eno64. And as you guys know, the Tokyo Auto Saloon was there in Japan from January 12th to January 14th, and as you all know, Top Secret was also a major part in that event. And so Smokey Nagata bringing out these amazing performance cars and building some amazing engines in his garage. So Eno64 is bringing to you guys one of his most amazing performance cars as a 164 model, which is none other than the R35 Top Secret model, which was a collaboration between Top Secret and Eno64. And this is also the first 164, the R35 diecast model, which was released to the public. And there were a few other variants as well, but those were released a bit more later. And the R35, this specific Top Secret model, was only released in the event premises. So if you were a part of the event, or if you attended the event, you could have purchased this model. If not, you could have gotten in the secondary market, which was way more expensive. So talking about the model, you guys can see the Top Secret gold livery with carbon fiber attachments. As you guys can see, the front bumper, the rear diffuse and the side skirts are all done in carbon fiber, and those little tiny details have added to the model perfectly. So looking at the car, this is how Eno64 has perfected the model, and you guys can see even the sleeve has all the in details of the car. So let's get it out of the package. As you guys can see, it is all sealed. So as you guys can see, the lower part of the sleeve is carbon fiber and the top part of the sleeve is done in gold. And you guys can see the Tokyo Auto Saloon 2024 special edition on the base. Such an amazing model to look at, and by far this is one of my favorite Eno models ever released. And definitely anyone who would love JDM cars will love the GTR series, and Eno bringing out the R35 will definitely raise a big attention towards collectors. So the car is out of the box, and you guys can see all the details are on point. You guys can see like the wing, the side mirrors, the wheels, and everything are on detail. And there is nothing to actually complain about this specific model, because Eno64 has been done to perfection on every single model that they released so far. And you guys can see a big improvement from Eno64 starting from 2018, 2019 up to 2024. They have a major advance in detailing these models specifically for you. Just like the Eno model release, this guy will be putting the actual car on the side of the video as well, so you guys can take it as a reference to how the actual car and the model car looks like. As you go through the video, make sure to like, subscribe and follow for more content like this, as I will be unboxing so many new models that are yet to come, and I will be bringing in news about the new releases as well. So for you guys to see unboxing video like this, please make sure to follow and subscribe for more further details.